I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the clip. Load the sequence, select the clip, and open Effects Controls so you can track. Once done, choose opacity or any effect that supports masking and draw a tight mask around the subject. Use rectangle, ellipse, or freehand depending on shape. Make sure the mask, feather, and expansion are roughly where you want them. This helps tracking lock on edges. Then position the playhead just before the motion starts, and get ready to track forward or backward, depending on your shot. Now run the automatic track. Use track selected mask forward or backward in Effects Controls to generate mask path keyframes. Watch the playhead as Premiere analyzes motion. Once the track completes, scrub through the timeline to inspect each region. If you see drift, pause, go to the problem frame, nudge mask vertices, or add a manual keyframe, and then continue tracking from there. Make sure to refine mask feather, expansion, and opacity keyframes so the tracked element blends naturally into the shot. Finish by attaching the element you want to track, color grade, graphic, or replacement clip, inside the mask or on a nested track. Once applied, render the area to verify real-time playback and inspect for slipping. If the track is inconsistent, try improving track contrast, reduce mask feather, or switch to manual keyframing every 10 to 20 frames so you regain control. If necessary, rerun the automated track after those adjustments. This method ensures the tracked asset stays anchored and looks intentional in the final render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.